on this part? It was saying that they hid it behind the tree and they were waiting for the Pinocchio. And when the Pinocchio came and he dug up the mud to take out the coins, they suddenly pounced on him. Pounce on him means to jump on him.
And I just download YouTube.
I'm muting you all, okay? If you have any queries, you can write down in the chat box. Okay. Then they pounced on him, that is, they suddenly jumped on him, that give us your money, and they ordered Pinocchio, but he was not ready to give his money, and he held his sack. Sack is a small piece of bag made of cloth between his teeth. He held his sack tightly between his teeth, and he was not ready to leave it. But the fox and the cat, they were readily shouting at him to give us your money. Now, Varsha, you can read from the next line. Varsha can read from the next line. Okay, just a second. I will unmute you and then you can read.
Ma'am, which line?
Page number 36, fifth paragraph. Page number 36.
Ma'am, I am your well-wisher.
No. 3 lines above it. 3 lines. Pinocchio's garden fairy.
Pinocchio's garden fairy, who was dressed in blue, ordered her dog Ruffles to chase away the fox and cat. She asked Ruffles to bring Pinocchio to her castle. Please sit down, she told to Pinocchio. Who are you? Asked Pinocchio.
Okay. Then there was a Pinocchio's garden fairy who was beautifully dressed in blue color, and she was also having a dog whose name was Ruffs. And she ordered his dog Ruffs to chase away. Chase away means to run away, to follow somebody and to make him run away. The fox and the cat. And she asked Ruffs to bring Pinocchio to his castle. Castle is a very big and grand mansion. Chase means to follow somebody, to run after somebody, to catch him. Okay, if we run after somebody to catch him or to be close to him, it is known as to chase. And then she asked the Ruff to bring Pinocchio to a castle, and then she ordered him to sit down, and Pinocchio asked him, who are you? Okay.
Ma'am,
Wait, now Saksha, Vanchika, read now. Vanchika, you read now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I am your well-wisher. Now answer truly whatever happens, replied Fairy in bold voice. Why did not you go to school today? She asked. I did, answered Pinocchio. As soon as he answered, his nose shot out like a tree branch. What is happening to my nose? He cried.
Yeah, read it. Continue reading.
Whenever you will tell a lie, your nose will grow. When you will say truth, it will shrink, said Blue Fairy. Pinocchio, you can become a real boy if you learn how to be brave, honest, and generous. Now go home, told the fairy. Next morning, he went to school. There he met Wiggly and his friends, who were fun-loving. Come with us, said Wiggly and his friends. Is having game, cakes, pretty candies, and circus.
Okay, Vanchika, mute yourself, beta. You can mute yourself. Okay, it is saying that when Pinocchio asked the fairy who she was, then she told him that she is the well-wisher, and she also said that now she will ask him some questions, and if he will give the right answer, then his nose, which grew long due to the wrong answer, will shrink. She asked him that, did you go to the school today? He said, yes, I did. And as soon as he gave this answer, his nose grew long. It shot out. Shot out means to suddenly come out like a branch of a tree. And then he was surprised at what has happened to his nose. And then Blue Fairy told him that whenever he will tell the lie, his nose will grow, and if he will say the truth, his nose will shrink. And then Blue Fairy said, "You can now become a real boy if you learn to behave, if you learn to be brave, honest, and generous." She told him to follow these three moral values of being brave, honest, and generous. And if he followed these three rules, he would surely become a real boy. Actually, he was a boy carved out of a wood. So, if he wanted to become a real boy forever, then he has to be brave, honest, and generous. Now go home, told the fairy, and next morning when he went to the school, he met his friends over there, his Vicky and his other friends who were always fun loving, and they told him to come with us because they knew one of the place, with wonderful place where they can play games and they have cakes and party candies, and also there was a circus where they could enjoy. Next, read Bhumika Devanna. Now you can read. I will unmute you and then you can read. Yeah, Bhumika, you can unmute yourself.
The boys didn't know that if anyone was bad there, they would be turned into donkeys and would be trained for circus. Soon the boys began changing into donkeys. That's what snarled the circus master as he made them to jump through a hoop. Pinocchio could only grow donkey's ears, feet, and tail as he was made up of wood. The circus master threw him into sea. At the same time, one of his friends escaped and told everything to Gepetto. Instantly, Gepetto took a boat and went to search him. Unfortunately, he was foiled by Big Bill. Pinocchio saw this and regretted for all what he did. He realized that his father loved him a lot. He started crying and he wanted his father back. At the same time, the same whale followed him also. Pinocchio reached inside the whale's stomach and he found that both of each other pocket or which was with his father and tickled
Okay.
the whale.
Okay, Bhumika, can we stop here? Can we stop here for a minute? Okay, I'll explain you up till here, and then we will continue further. Then the boy did not knew what that it if anybody was bad there. Now they had went to a wonderful place there where they could have all the funs all together, but the boys did not know that if they will go there and if they will behave badly over there, they would turn into a donkey, and then they will be trained to be trained for the circus. And because the bads were naughty and they were bad and they doing all the mischief, so they one by one they were turning into the donkey. And that's what happened to the bad boys. Snarl the circus master as he made them to jump through a hoop. That is, he was making them jumping on the hoop. They all were now donkeys, as they were now. He was treating them, showing them the circus. Pinocchio could now grow donkey ears because Pinocchio was made up of wood, so his entire body was not changed into the donkey, but only his ears, feet, and tail. Only these three could be turned into a donkey's ear, feet, and tail because he was made up of wood. And because he was growing in a very ugly way, so the circus master threw him into the sea. And at the same time, one of his friends escaped. That is, he was successful in escaping, that is, from running there, run away from there, and he went to Gepetto and told him about Pinocchio, that he has turned into we have went to one place, and there because we were behaving bad, we were turned into a donkey and being trained for the circus. Then instantly Gepetto took a boat and went to search for Pinocchio, who was thrown into the sea. and unfortunately, Pinocchio was swallowed by a big whale, and Pinocchio saw this and regretted for all what he had did, and he was started feeling guilty, that is wrong for what he has done. And then he realized that he was swallowed by Pinocchio, was regretted, and then he realized that his father loved him a lot. And then he was now realizing that he was loved most by his father. He should have followed his advice and should have behaved very good. So he started crying and wanted his father back. And at the same time, the same whale swallowed his father also. And Pinocchio realized that the whale that inside the whale's stomach he found Geppetto also. Then Pinocchio saw that in the whale's stomach he and his father both were there. They both hugged each other. Is it clear? Read it now, Bhumika. Continue
This
reading.
made the whale to cough loudly. With it, Pinocchio and his father were thrown out the whale's mouth. Pinocchio held his unconscious father's arm tightly and pulled him to the seashore, thinking
Okay,
Geppetto
just a
that
second. Wait a second, Bhumika. Now, when both of them met in the stomach, when both of them met in the stomach of the whale, they both hugged each other, and Pinocchio took an oar. Oar is a long piece of, it's a long flat piece with one end flat, which is used for rowing in the sea. And he took it and tickled the whale's throat. That is, he hit it in the whale's throat, and this made the whale to cuff, due to which it started cuffing, and with a strong cuff of the whale, both of them, Pinocchio and his father, were thrown out of the whale's mouth. And Pinocchio held his unconscious father's arm tightly and pulled him to the seashore. That is, now his father became unconscious, so he pulled him with his arm and brought him to the seashore. Is it clear? Pari, you can read now. I will unmute you, Pari, and then you can read. Just a second. I will give others also chance to read. Yes, Pari, you can unmute yourself now.
thinking Geppetto dead, Pinocchio burst into tears, blaming himself for his death. But Blue Fairy came flying and touched the old man. Geppetto opened his eyes and Pinocchio became the happiest boy. Home at the last, Geppetto tugged Pinocchio into his bed and told Pinocchio, "Today you were brave, honest and generous." Next morning, Geppetto saw that Pinocchio has become a real boy. They became happy and lived happily.
Okay. Now, thinking when Pinocchio thought that his father had died, he started crying and blaming himself for his father's death. And suddenly, the blue fairy came over there and touched the old man, and that Geppetto, that his father, came into life again. And now Pinocchio was happy to see his father alive and at home last. That is, finally they reached home, and Geppetto told his son that today you were brave, honest, and also generous. That is, today you showed all the three qualities of being brave, honest, and generous. So the next morning, when Geppetto saw that Pinocchio has now turned into a real boy, and now they were happy and they lived happily ever after. Is it clear? Now, what was his bravery act? His bravery act was that he saved his father by taking an oar to the throat of the whale. He tried to save the life of his father, and also he was honest in saying the truth, that he had always been bad and generous and being kind towards his father for upbringing him. Okay. So, have you all understood the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will be starting with the exercise. We'll discuss the exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, we will discuss the back exercise, and then we will discuss the question and answers. Okay. First, the back exercise. Exercise number B, you can give the right answers in the chat box. Okay. Everybody. Saksham, you also. Anand. Thinking Gepetto dead, Pinocchio burst into tears, blaming Dash for his death. Okay, right answer is himself. Very good. Second one is, on his way to school, Pinocchio stopped to see a Dash. Okay, Ritika, right. Vanshika, right. The right answer is puppet show. Okay, very good. Bhumika, Varsha. Okay. Third one is, Dash kissed him goodbye to go to school. Gepetto, Pinocchio, Fairy, or Bickley. Okay, Palak, right answer is first one. It is Gepetto. His father kissed him goodbye to go to the school. Next is, Gepetto was an old Dash maker. Puppet, home, pot, or shoe. It is a puppet maker. The right option is C. Everybody is giving the right answer. Okay. Fifth one. Soon the boys began changing into Dash. Okay, Vanshika, Ritika. Okay. The right answer is donkey. Okay, right answer is donkey. Next is true and false. I will read out the first one for you. Pinocchio held his unconscious father's arm tightly. Okay. Vanshika, Devana, Bhumika, everybody. Rest, all of you also give Pooja, Palak, sorry. Palak, Sujal. Sujal, it is not false. It is true. उसने अपने फादर को ही he held his unconscious father's arm tightly. Unconscious father's arm tightly. It is on page number 37. Can you see? Okay. It is true. Next is Gepetto opened his eyes and Pinocchio became the happiest boy. He opened his eye and became the happiest boy. It is true. Gepetto opened his eye and saw that happiest boy. It is false. It is he saw that he became a no, not the happiest boy. He became a real boy. Next is Pinocchio took a boat and went in the search of Gepetto. It is false. Very good. Right answer, Bhumika, Varsha, Palak. What about others? Why are not they giving the answers? Aryan, Ishika, very good. Fourth is, whenever you will tell a lie, your nose will grow. And whenever you will say a truth, it will shrink, said Blue Fairy. Okay, very good. The right answer is true. Next is, the fox and cat hid behind the tree waiting for Gepetto. Vanchika. It is, they hide behind the tree waiting for Gepetto. False. Why false? It is true. They were waiting behind the tree. It is true. The crowd liked Pinocchio and clapped by throwing coins. They clapped by throwing coins. Okay, the right answer is true. Okay. Okay, Ashit Gupta, you also gave the right answer. It's true. Next is, now we will discuss the question and answers. If you want to give the answers, you can raise your hands. Okay. You all can raise your hands. I will unmute you one by one. First is, who was Gepetto and why? What was his strong desire? Who was Gepetto? Okay, starting. Just. Yes, Palak, give the answer. You can unmute yourself, Palak.
Yeah, मैं मेरी लैंग्वेज में आंसर दे सकती हूँ?
Yeah, of course. We are just discussing, so you can give the answers in your own languages also, but correct. Okay.
Gepetto was an old puppet maker. He had a strong desire to become a father of a boy.
Okay, very good. Gepetto was an old puppet maker and he had no child and he had a strong desire to become a father of a boy. Very good. Next is, raise your hand if you want to give the answer, okay? Why did Gepetto sell his only coat? Just a second. Anybody else? Saksham saying, okay. Unmute yourself, Saksham. Saksham, Sen, unmute yourself. Okay, then Vanchika, you can unmute yourself.
So may I tell?
Ma'am, Geppetto sold his only coat so that he could arrange the book and pencils for Pinocchio.
Okay, very good. Who else was saying, ma'am? I want to give the answer.
Simple.
No, मैंने मेरा भी यही आंसर था.
Okay, very good. Okay. The right answer is he sold his only clothes so that he could arrange for books and pencils for Pinocchio. Very good. Next is, why did Pinocchio put his coin in the hole under the magic tree? He put his coin in the hole under the magic tree. Who wants to give? Kushal Singh. Okay, very good. Kushal Singh. You can unmute yourself, Kushal. Kushal, you can unmute yourself. Anybody else? Varsha Vishali, you want to give the answer? Arshit Gupta also. Chitra also. Very good.
मैम मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है.
No, let others give. Okay?
Pinocchio put his coins in the hole under the magic tree to convert his copper coins into gold coins and become more rich.
Okay, very good. He put his coins under the magic tree in the desire to change them into gold coins so that he could become more rich. Very good. Next is Harshit Gupta. You can unmute yourself. Why did Geppetto take a boat?
Because he wanted to find Pinocchio.
And can you elaborate this answer, Harshit? Can you elaborate this answer? I mean to say that क्या आप इसको थोड़ा बड़े में बता सकते हो? Explain कर सकते हो अच्छे से? Can you explain it properly? Anybody else? Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. Let Chitra try it. Then I will ask Devansh also. Okay. Yes, Chitra, you can unmute yourself. Chitra, you can unmute yourself, beta. Yes. Yeah. Why did Geppetto took a boat? Why did Geppetto take a boat? Chitra, do you want to speak?
मैम इसका आंसर तो इसका ही होगा ना.
Just a second, Palak, let Devansh try, then I will ask you, Palak. Okay. Yes, Devansh, why did he take a boat?
Geppetto took the boat because he was worried for the Pinocchio, and he took the boat to find the Pinocchio.
Very good. Now he took a boat and went in search of the Pinocchio because when he was informed by one of his Pinocchio's friend, that he was thrown into the sea by a circus master, so he got worried about him and he took a boat and went in the search for his son. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, how did Pinocchio and his father come out of the whale's mouth?
Can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who wants to say? Palak, आप बताना चाहते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Try it, then I will ask Varsha also. Varsha and Vaishali.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
First
What about others?
Pinocchio and his father Geppetto reached in the whale's stomach. Both hugged each other. Pinocchio took oar, which was with his father, and tickled the whale throat with it. This made the whale to cough loudly with it. Pinocchio and his father were thrown out of the whale's mouth.
Okay, it is the right answer. You have read it from the board. Bhumika, Devana, you also try to say this answer in your own language. Bhumika, Devana, unmute yourself, beta. Bhumika. Shamni, unmute yourself. All of you are without your cameras on. See, Sujal also wants to try. Yes, Sujal, can you say this answer in your own language? How did Pinocchio and his father came out of the whale's stomach?
Pinocchio took oar which was with his father and tickled the whale's throat with it. This made the whale to cough loudly with it. Pinocchio and his father were thrown out of whale's mouth.
Okay, it is the right answer because when both of them were inside the stomach of the whale, Pinocchio took the oar of his father, which he had carried him with himself, and then he tickled it to the whale's throat, and due to which the whale coughed loudly, and both of them were thrown out of the whale's mouth. Very good. The right answer has been given by all of you. How did the old man became alive and Pinocchio became a real boy? How did old man became alive and Pinocchio became a real boy? Yes, who wants to say something?
Ma'am,
Nirbe, yes, Nirbe say.
sorry. Ma'am, repeat the question 5.
Okay, repeat the question 5. I will give you the hint. It is on page number 36, beginning from the last line. Can you see, Nirbe?
What?
Page number 36. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Last line. Last line. Pinocchio took the oar which was with his father. Can you see this last line?
Yes, ma'am.
From here till the paragraph ends, out of the whale's mouth. But you don't have to write it in the. We are just discussing the question and answers. I will give you the answers in the next class. Okay? Is it clear? 7th class. We are just discussing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The last is how did old man became alive and Pinocchio
May I tell?
became alive? Yes,
Ma'am,
Sujal, you
may
can
I?
give. Who?
Ma'am Devansh.
Okay, Devansh, let's Sujal repeat. Say first, then you can repeat. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sujal, say the answer.
Page number 37.
No, not from the pages. I don't want the answer from the pages.
Okay,
You have to give the answer in your own language.
Okay, ma'am.
It is not your SST subject that you will mark the answers. Okay?
Blue Fairy
Yes, give the answer.
came flying and touched the old man. Geppetto opened his eyes and Pinocchio became the happiest boy.
Okay, and anybody else? Devansh, do you want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
just a second, Vanchika. Vanchika, just a second. Let him try and then you can also repeat the answer. Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am, मैं बोलूं?
Yeah,
When the
start.
old man become unconscious, the Pinocchio become cry, and the old fairy and the blue fairy come and touch the old man, and he became alive. Then and the Pinocchio become a real boy next morning.
Okay, very good. Very good because you tried the answer in your own language. I got it. Next and last, anybody wants to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can say.
When Pinocchio dead, and he was blaming himself for his father's death. At the time, a blue fairy came and touched the Geppetto, and the Geppetto opened his eyes. Pinocchio was the happiest boy. At last, he went home. And when the Geppetto took Pinocchio into his bed, then he told Pinocchio that he is brave, honest, and generous.
It's okay, Sujal. Let us speak.
Pinocchio become a real boy.
Okay. Okay. Right answer is that when he thought his father is dead, he started bursting into tears, and then the fairy came and she touched his father, and then he became alive. And also now he became happy, and then when at home The next morning, Geppetto saw that Pinocchio was a real boy because he is and generous. Okay, because he had been brave, generous, and honest, so he was turned into a real boy, and then they lived happily ever after. Got it? Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
chapter भी
okay.
पढ़ाओगे क्या अभी?
No, listen now carefully. See. Now I will divide this. I will give you. I will divide four. I will call out the names of the four students. Okay. Now what you will do? You will start the summary of the lesson in your own language. Four students. I will call the order. One will begin, and when I will tell you to stop, the first student will stop, and from thereafter, the second student will continue the summary. Okay. I will divide the. I will call out the names of 4 to
Chapter
5
number
students.
6.
Okay. No.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No. Right. Sorry. Chapter number 6 only. This chapter. Let's start now. I will call out the names. Starting from Vanshika. Then Palak,
Before starting-
Devansh. Check your names in order.
Excuse me,
Vanshika,
ma'am.
Palak, Devansh. Yes, Devansh. Your answer is third. I'm calling the name. I know, beta.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, before
Next
starting,
name.
I have a query.
And then I will continue. Okay.
Vanchika is having a query.
Right. Start Vanchika. Vanchika, Palak, Devansh.
Please
Okay. All rest.
Ma'am, please one more. Ma'am, please repeat Devansh after Devansh.
Ma'am, Vanchika is having a query.
Ma'am, please repeat the true false.
What? Vanchika?
Ma'am, true false.
Which one?
Ma'am, what is the answer of second and third?
Second is false and third is also false.
Ma'am, third
What
false.
with the sixth?
Ma'am, second to false नहीं है.
Ma'am, second true है.
You opened his eye and
करना है.
yeah, if you open his
False.
eye and Pinocchio
No,
becomes
ma'am,
the happiest.
open. Ma'am, true करना है.
Second, true and false is false because Geppetto opened his eye and Pinocchio became the real boy. It is not the happiest boy. Check your answers. It is on page number 37, last paragraph. Got it? Have you all got it? Yes, Vanchika, now start. I will unmute you. Vanchika, start summarizing the story.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, on page number 37, was ma'am, third paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line. Ma'am, Geppetto opened his eyes and Pinocchio became the happiest boy. Ma'am, इधर लिख रखा है.
Next morning, Geppetto saw the Pinocchio and he became a real boy.
मैम हैप्पीएस्ट बॉय लिख रखा है मैम. वो तो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग हुआ था ना. तब फेयर ने मेरे को टच किया था.
Okay, Vanchika. Okay, Vanchika. Okay. You can make it true. Okay. Second, you can do. Now start. Let's start the summary. Okay.
Once there was a poor man who was a puppet maker and his name was Geppetto. He has no child, but he has a strong desire that he want to become a father of a boy. And then one day he was designing a puppet out of a piece of wood. He sort out his son's face in his mind and make the puppet like his son's face, which is in his mind. And amazingly, when he making the puppet, he when complete the puppet, that the puppet became alive, and Geppetto became happy, very happy, and named him Pinocchio. Then Geppetto dressed him very smartly and beautifully, and when at the next morning, Geppetto sold his coat and arranged the book and pencils to Pinocchio and sent him to school. On his way to school, Pinocchio
now you can stop.
and
You can stop. Chitra, you can unmute yourself if you want to say the summary. Chitra, do you want to say the summary? Okay, who else want to give? Who want to summarize? Chandni? You can unmute yourself, Chandni. Chandni, you can unmute yourself. Pari, you can unmute yourself now. Pari? Pari, you can unmute yourself. Himanshu, do you want to summarize? Himanshu. Chandni, do you want to summarize? Chandni. Yes, ma'am. Do you want to summarize the lesson?
No, ma'am.
Why? You can start at least, you can say a few sentences. When he kissed him and he was going for the school, what happened then? You can give the, you can summarize what happened after that. When he was going on the way to the school, what happened then? Yes, Shamni. Okay, Pari, do you want to start? Vanshika, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am. Puppet show, and he just sing better than the puppets in the puppet show. And when he climbed on the stage and danced and sang, and the crowd liked the Pinocchio's dance and singing, and they throwing coins towards him and clapping. Then he collected the coins. Pinocchio collected the coins and became happy. There he met a lame fox and a blind cat, and they were pretending that they were Pinocchio's friends. And they say to Pinocchio that come with us. We will teach you to convert copper coins into gold coins and become more rich. The sneaky cat said. Then the Pinocchio immediately jumped and said, "Yes, I want to become rich." And then both the lame fox and the blind cat take Pinocchio to a magic tree and said that within 2 hours these coins will turn into gold. You should put the coins into this tree hole. They replied pointing a tree. And now let's go to them for supper. Then the cat said that now go and take your supper. Ma'am, आगे पढ़ो.
Yeah, we will now, time is over. Now we'll continue in the next class. Okay? All of you, you can, we will be continuing this.
Excuse me, ma'am.